This is the unboxing and review of car smartphone holder from Hoco. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now taking a look at the packaging, we can see that it has a matte yellow colored finish which not just looks premium but also feels premium. On the back of the box, we have various color options and the devices which are compatible with it, which are pretty much all modern smartphones. Now the QR code at the bottom right portion can be scanned to identify a real product from a fake one. Let's get into the unboxing. In the box, we have the smartphone holder and we have a shield. Now let's check out the build quality. The spring-loaded mechanism feels really well built and durable, and the stainless steel further adds to the build quality. The rubber holders on both sides hold the phone firmly with a good grip, and this buckle also has a rubber padding which is of a good quality. The spring-loaded mechanism extends up to a distance of 85mm, which is enough for pretty much all modern smartphones. Now hooking up this to my smartphone, you can see that it has a sturdy, tight grip and the chances that your phone could fall off are pretty much next to zero. Thank you so much for watching. This is Abhishek from Zolo, and I'll see you in the next one.